What if we told you that your banana peels, veggie scraps, and dry leaves could help heal the earth? Composting is more than just recycling food waste. It's one of the most powerful tools we have to revive dead soil. In today's video, we explore how composting transforms trash into treasure, and why it's a must-do for anyone who cares about clean food, healthy soil, and a better future. Let's start with the basics. Every year, billions of tons of food and organic waste end up in landfills. There, it rots without oxygen, producing methane, a greenhouse gas far more dangerous than carbon dioxide. But when we compost this same waste properly, it breaks down naturally into nutrient-rich humus, a dark, crumbly material that brings dead soil back to life. Composting is a living process. Tiny microbes, bacteria, fungi, and even earthworms work together to decompose the waste. They transform eggshells, coffee grounds, dead leaves, and more into organic matter that feeds the soil. The result? A balanced, living, nutrient-dense soil. Amendment that improves structure, water retention, and fertility. Why does this matter? Because degraded soils, compacted, lifeless, and dry, can't grow healthy food. But when compost is added, everything changes. The soil becomes darker. Water sinks in, instead of running off. Plants grow stronger, roots go deeper, and the soil becomes alive again. This is especially important in places suffering from droughts, erosion, or over-farming. Composting isn't just for big farms. It's for balconies, backyards, schools, and communities. In Australia and Canada, people are turning kitchen scraps into community power. Urban composting bins, school garden compost piles, and neighborhood drop-offs are making a big difference. And composting can reduce household waste by over 30%. What makes compost truly magical is its impact on soil health. It feeds the good microbes, it balances pH levels, it binds heavy metals, reducing pollution, it acts like a sponge, holding water during drought, and it even helps capture carbon, fighting climate change. This simple act of composting builds a living ecosystem below ground. You don't need fancy equipment. Start small, a simple bin, a backyard pile, or even indoor worm composting. Layer greens like fruit peels and veggie waste, with browns like dry leaves or cardboard. Keep it moist, mix it regularly, and let nature do the rest. In a few weeks, or months, you'll have black gold, homemade compost that will nourish every plant it touches. With compost, you grow more than food. You grow healthy soil, stronger communities, and a better world. Every handful of compost is a step toward sustainability, toward regeneration. So instead of throwing food away, let it come back to life. Composting isn't just good for the garden, it's good for the planet. So start today. Turn your scraps into soil, because the future of food starts beneath your feet. Subscribe to The Soil Story for more inspiring videos on soil science, environmental action, and regenerative agriculture.